Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you live today in downtown Kansas City, Missouri, West Bottoms area. Pigeons doing their thing. We got a super cool truck today. 2005 Ford F250 Harley Davidson Texas truck. We got a lot going on, as you can see. Lift kit, wheels, tires, Harley Davidson truck, all the good stuff you want to see. Black on black leather. It's a little dirty. We're kind of in this little wet, muddy parking lot, so I've been in and out taking pictures and whatnot. So let's hop up in here. Most importantly, what do you got for digits? Miles are good. 113,336. Truck fires right up, no problems, no nothing, no check engine lights. Let's see here. We're rocking an Android double din. You got Bluetooth, phone calls, everything you can imagine on here. It's pretty cool. You got all your apps, Google Play Store, Chrome, Google Maps, navigation, phone link, mirror your screen. It's got a nice Harley Davidson logo on it. Yeah, this is a fully loaded Harley, all the good options. It did not come with the sunroof though. It's not a sunroof truck, which is odd because it's a Texas truck. Ice cold AC. The dash, as you can see, has them little Harley logos in that plastic trim. Cup holders, aux switches, trailer brakes, factory integrated. Power sliding rear, it does not work though. Parking sensors do work, four-wheel drive, obviously that works. It's missing a badge right there on the center console. It broke off. Sometimes you'll see them break. I've seen it before. So got the billet pedals. A lot of cool stuff this Harley comes with. It's nothing over the top, but it is definitely very unique trim package that they didn't make a lot of trucks this hard loaded back in 06. Climate control steering wheel, which I'm pretty sure does work. Yep, well, there's that fan speed. That AC's cold today. Truck's not cold, obviously, guys. I've been doing pictures and stuff. It's warmed up, so it's not a cold start video, but I am just going through it to show you the condition. We've serviced this truck head to toe. It's super low miles. That being said, it's still 15 years old. It's lifted. It's got rock chips. It's got normal dings. It's got some stuff going on, so we're gonna hop out and cover it. But you know, as far as the leather goes, no rips or tears, but there is age cracks. I mean, you can see that. It's not a rip or tear by any means, but the leather's been cracked. You got two-tone with little Harley logos in the seats. Same in the rear. Tinted windows. Black carpet. But this head unit's super cool. Like I said, you can hook up your phone to it with Bluetooth, do everything. You can hook up to your OBD2 and scan codes and watch gauges on it. It's pretty awesome. I'm trying to think. Anything else? Well, let's hop out and go walk around and look around and see what we see. It is a heated seat truck. They do work. Man, this black is hard to keep clean, especially when you're off-road in some gravel. Under the hood, this is a stock truck. Nothing special going on. Super soft hose for a warm truck. Proper coolant level, not overfilled. Zero blow by. Absolutely zero. And the motor's warm, which is good to see that. Harley Davidson, you got the Harley Davidson headlights, the Harley Davidson grille, the Harley Davidson full black PTM front bumper with the chrome tow hooks. We've got an upgraded 6-inch suspension lift going on here. Looks to be a rough country. Full coil shocks, dual Pro Comp stabilizer up front, 08 style tow mirrors converted with smoked lenses. We are rocking a 22 by 14 American Truxx wheel. I believe it was called the I'm gonna mispronounce it. I can't even remember. It's got a weird name. Brand new 37 1350 22 tires. They are 10 ply, load range E. Brand new. As you can tell, they got tons of tread. It's a mud terrain, all-terrain hybrid tire. It rides out pretty good. Now, this truck's lifted 6 inches on 14 wide, so it rides as good as it rides for being what it is. Harley Davidson comes with those rocker covers right there that are meant to preserve the debris and keep the trucks rust-free. This truck came out of Texas and has a clean Texas title, and it has no rust. Look at that bottom side. It's not flawless, but this is not a rusty truck at all. As you can tell, a little dirt down there, but beautiful black paint. Not a rusty truck. Back seat's got the things that come out underneath, the little racks. Like I said, not a sunroof truck. You got a little tear on the driver's armrest. I thought we had that fixed. I apologize. We usually do. We're not perfect, guys. We don't claim to be. We do build nice trucks. It's never had a turnover ball. Look at those bed rails. That is a clean, minimal rust truck. And it's stock exhaust, stock motor, stock everything. This truck's never been tuned. It's never had aftermarket parts besides the cosmetics. It was lifted when we got it. It had these wheels when we got it. We did new tires. We upgraded all the lighting. Here we have an LED taillight that's been cracked open, painted black and gray to match the Harley scheme with pods for reverse lights. They're direct wired, so all you do is put it in reverse, and these suckers, they light it up. Black PTM sensor bumper with reverse sensors, tow package, factory 7-pin, 4-pin hookups. Tailgate's got some dings in it. I mean, again, 15-year-old tailgate. You can see some little dimples there. Let's look inside the bed. It's got a nice spray-on bed liner. Like I said, it's never had a gooseneck or a fifth wheel hitch in it. It leads me to believe, with this low of miles and no working hitch, that this is a pavement princess truck. Stock, non-abused. At least it seems like it. That's kind of how these Harleys are. They're usually roached out at the end of the road or well taken care of. Factory Harley exhaust tip. It's kind of hideous, but a lot of people like them. You know, it's an OEM Harley Davidson exhaust tip from Ford. Got the Rancho shocks. That is an fx4. Actually, those are probably for the lift kit. Look like Ranchos. We did a drive shaft too. If you can't see it peeking out right there, black and brand new. All new U-joints, carrier bearing, balance, paint. The rims are pretty nice. They're not perfect. One of them's got a couple little nicks in them. Like, see, that's a tiny little nick. One of them's got a little rash on it, but nothing terrible. You do see a little dent down here, kind of. You don't really notice it until you get down there, but it's right there. Cab corners, rockers, underside over here. Beautiful Texas truck. So, guys, this Harley Davidson is clean. Super, super clean. If you like what you see, well, most likely it's probably already sold, because these trucks are selling so fast, it's unreal. But if you are interested in this truck and you're seeing this video, head on over to 816diesel.com right now. Hit the website, 816diesel.com. It's going to have the VIN number, pictures, all the information I covered today, pricing, miles. If you need to get a loan, you can get all the info right off the website that you need for an approval. Let me know if you have any questions. We're downtown Kansas City, Missouri in the West Bottoms, right off I-35 and I-70. Also, one thing I'm going to go over with you. We have a clean Carfax on the truck. Texas 2 owner, I want to say. But it was stolen at some point and then recovered. The Carfax shows that. The title is clean. I have a clean and clear Texas title in hand. So just being honest and putting it out there. Other than that, this truck is 100% legit. I did forget one thing here. Someone put a little key mark on it. It's hard to see. It's pretty thin in most spots, but see it right there? I can't believe I forgot this. It's not the worst, it's not the best, but it is there. So that's the extent of it down here. So let's look it over again. I should have shown you that earlier and I forgot. When you're back 5 feet, you don't really see it, so right there it's pretty much gone. But it is there, it has happened. So guys, I hope you got a better feel for the truck, and if you're interested, just get a hold of me. My cell phone is 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to click that bell and subscribe if you haven't already. We got a lot of cool trucks coming up. I always said that and I always deliver. So thanks for your time, guys. Have a great week out there.